Hello guys, welcome back. So now in this video we'll see how to use structural directive with angular element like ng template. So in the last video we saw structural directive star ngIf used with HTML element like div. Okay, so whenever you are using ngIf with angular template like ng template, you need to enclose it within square braces. Okay. So if you're using with a div element, a div HTML element like div, then you can use star because um, it is a HTML element. So when you're using it with the angle, I'll say like div is a HTML element, ng is an angular element. So whenever you use HTML element, then you need to say star ng. Whenever you use angular element, then you have to enclose it within square braces for ngIf. Okay. uh, I will take the same example which we did in the last video. So here I have my text string, it's very sunny today and is visible boolean false. And in the HTML, so now we'll not use star ngIf. So we'll use ng template, angular element. We'll not use the div HTML element, we'll use the angular ng template. H1 my text, and instead of star ngIf I say ngIf is visible. So now you can see, now it is false, so I'm not able to see any it is not displayed the my text content on the screen. Now I'll make the is visible boolean to true. Now you can see it is displaying it's very sunny today. But the difference when you use HTML element and angular element, I'll show you like what is the difference. When you use angular element, you can see it is not adding extra HTML HTML elements. Like you can see it is not adding anything except the h1 tag. It's not adding the ng template. But when you use the div star ngIf, it adds HTML. So that's the only difference between HTML tags and the angular tags. Now I have is visible to set to true, so I am able to see the content on the screen. So that's the only difference. So you can toggle it, like if I say false, the content will not be seen on the screen. So this is how the ng template with ngIf works. So just to give a summary, we use star ngIf with a HTML element like div. This is a star ngIf structural directive with HTML element div, which we saw in the last video. But in this video, we are seeing a structural directive ngIf with a angular tag, that is ng template. Okay. So whenever you use star ngIf, it has to be used with HTML, and whenever you use ngIf in square braces, it has to be used with the angular. Okay. I hope you have understood. Thank you.